Prime Minister Andrew Holness reassures Jamaicans of the country's readiness to deal with COVID-19 should it reach the island.
Stakeholders in the tourism sector on high alert as COVID-19 threat heightens in the country.
And not happy, Jamaicans criticize the government's handling of corruption issues at the Caribbean Maritime University and the Education Ministry. The latest in the RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm is here with a preview.
Herman, usually we talk about which companies gained or lost during reports on the stock market. But how much do we really know the ins and outs of the stock market in the business day?
And from Andrea, we turn our attention to Karen. What's coming up in sport?
Well, Janella, yesterday it was the sports minister's turn to face Parliament's Standing Finance Committee, and she gave some commitments for the financial year. I will tell you all about them later.
All right, thanks, Karen. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, have you invested in the stock market? Give reasons for your answer.
Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.